guys, welcome back to my channel. It's another beautiful day. Wow, I'm really happy today because our social media influencer Akuapem Polo is finally married. I just saw this picture on social media and I wanted to share with you guys. Congratulations to you, girl. You deserve this. Oh my gosh, guys, I'm really happy for her. She just posted these pictures and this video on her Instagram today, and I wanted to share with you guys to know that our social media influencer, our actress Akuapem Polo, is now happily married. I'll bring you the other gist as well. Thank you for watching. Let me leave you so that you can watch the full video.